Have you deleted your important data like photos, videos, or any official documents or data from your USB drive or external hard disk, or maybe from your laptop desktop? So this is the perfect video. In this video we will recover all your data that you have lost, and let's see how we can do that in easy way. So in this video we will use a application called MyRecover. So with that we'll recover all your data. So first you have to go to Google, then search MyRecover, then scroll down. You have to click on this URL. Okay, I will share this URL in the video description. You can go from there. This is the download option. From here you can download the setup file. Okay, and using this application you can recover the data from hard disk, SSD, PC, or removable media. Okay, and this application is available for Windows as well as Mac, so you can use in Mac also. And just click on this and it will download. I have already downloaded and installed the application, so simple installation, so I'm not showing the how it is or how you can install the application. So let me show you the application. It is installed, as you can see, and over here you will see all the partition, and if you scroll down little bit you will see your external devices like pen drive or hard disk also will show here. And left hand side we have a few options you can see. Okay, and one by one we will see all the options. And let me show you. I have a few data in my USB pen drive. So you can see I have a HP pen drive, and I have a different type of data like images, photos, audio file, then few exe files also we have. Okay, and I'm going to delete all the data from here, and then we will recover all the data. And maybe previously also I have deleted few data from this pen drive, so it may recover those data also. That also we'll see whether it is recovering this data or the older one also. Okay, and very few data I have right now. It is around 300 MB file. Okay, and let's see how much data we can recover from this pen drive. So as you can see, I have deleted all the data from the pen drive. It is completely empty now. And now we'll go to the application and we'll see how we can recover it. So if you see left hand side, there are many options are available. Okay, so in our upcoming video we will show all few options one by one. Okay, and in this video we will show you how you can recover the data from the USB drive. Okay, so we have one important option, this this third option. So just click on that. Okay, and it will show your USB drive or SSD or hard disk or any external device that you have connected to your PC. Okay, and you can see now. Okay, so here we have a scan option at the end. So once we click on the scan button, it will start the scanning. It will start a deep scanning, so this will take some time, depend on your system speed or depend on your storage device that you have connected. Okay, so it will show the duration and the file it is recovering, the number of files, what is the file size, and a few file name also will reflect. And this left hand side corner, if you see, you will see the percentage, and anytime you can pause or stop the deep scanning. Okay, and once done, then we will start the recovery process. So multiple time I have used this application and it is very useful. Okay, and you can see the deep scanning is completed, so this will take some time. Okay, so I have fast forwarded the video, and you can see the file, how many file it is scanned, or what is the file size. So just click on OK, and then you will see all the data here. Okay, so left hand side you can see documents, pictures, videos, and archival files. Okay, so one by one you can click on each option and you will see the right side all the data. Okay, and if you want to restore any specific file like images, documents, pictures, or any videos, so you can select that particular and recover. But now for the testing purpose I will restore only few data. So if you want to recover the entire data, you select all the folders and recover. Okay, and if you want to restore only the specific file, maybe one or two word file, that you can recover. If you click on the file, it will show the preview on the right side. Okay, so for now I will select this three folder. Okay, and I will click on recover, and before that you can see how what is the file size it is. And once you click on recover, you have to give a path. Okay, so you can save the data anywhere you want. Okay, so let me create a folder on the desktop, and then we will save the data here. Okay, so let me quickly do it. Then I will click on recover. So then the recovery process will start. Okay, and this will also take some time. If you have more files, it will take more time. Sometime you may feel that recovery is stopped, or maybe it is not showing any progress, or percentage or number is not increasing, but you have to wait some time. It will start definitely. Okay, the process is running in the background. Okay, and it will definitely complete, depend on your system speed or the storage device that you are using. If you have any doubt related to this application, you can comment below. We will reply to all the comments. So let me fast forward and show you the last options after recovery. So as you can see, it is done. It is showing successfully recovered, and over here we have two options, this URL and browse option. So using both option, we can browse the file. Okay, so we have saved the data on the desktop. Okay, so you just click on browse, or simply you can close it and directly go to the folder. So here you can see we have recovered three types of files. So it is created three folders, and inside that there are many subfolders. So you have to check one by one all the folders. Okay, so you will see your data. So as you can see, few data is recovered here, and then few more data is here, and most of the data you will see with the device name. You will see a folder. Okay, in that you will see most of the data. As I shown you previously only, that I have only few data inside my pen drive, but looks like it is recovered more than that. So maybe previously also I had files inside pen drive, and I deleted those or maybe formatted. Yeah, those data also it is recovered. And if you are facing any kind of issue with this application, you can comment below. We will reply to all the comments. If you have any doubt, you can comment, because this is the best application that I ever use for recovery. If you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.